Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. This is Imani and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you all are doing well today. Today we are filming a cash stuffing video for the home binder, which is my favorite binder to film. I wanted to get started with giving a shout out to the BCL ladies for this last week. So the BCL is the Budgeting Community Link and it's created by Budgeting April, and it's a way for us as budgeters, as YouTubers, to go ahead and check out channels that maybe we are familiar with, maybe we aren't familiar with, but it's a way to visit the channels each week, give them a shout out, also watch their videos, watch their playlist. So let's go ahead and shout out the first budgeter of the week, and that is Send on a Budget. And then we have Save with Tara. Please feel free to check out their channels, binge watch any videos they have, any new videos, old videos. It definitely helps to increase watch time, because watch time is a huge thing that we need as content creators. If you would like to go ahead and check out what the BCL is, learn more about it, and also participate, please feel free to check out Budgeting April's channel. All right, let's get started. This is my favorite binder, you all, and you know why, because I love saving for anything that has to do with home expenses. Just something that always comes up in the home that needs addressing. So I love this method of saving for things a little at a time. It doesn't break the budget. I have $60, and $60 here is what I usually stuff. And I always use fives just so that it can help build the momentum. But let's go ahead and go over these categories. So first we have household, furniture. Where's 3? Oh, let me put 3 back. 3 I took out to do my other video. Sorry about that. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, 3 is repairs, 4 is utilities, 5 maintenance, and 6 is renovation. So let's get to rolling. What we do is we roll 1 dice. We just stuff the categories that we land on with a 5. So let's roll the first one. That is a 3. We're off to a great start already. 3 is repairs, and I would love to get this to 1K. And we're using other savings challenges as well to fund this. So hopefully we can do it for the year. And next is number 6. And 6 is bathroom reno. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay. So how are you guys doing today? I am doing well. I'm filming this at night, so no one is really here except my daughter, my youngest daughter. She's asleep. So 5 is maintenance. But we celebrated my daughter's birthday this past weekend. My middle daughter turned 19, and we went to a tulip festival. We didn't end up going to Dave & Buster's or anything like that. So we went to a tulip festival, 6, and we had a ball. It was such a beautiful time just to see all of the flowers. They have so many different colors and different types of tulips, and I'll try to insert a picture here, but it was just so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love flowers, y'all, if you haven't noticed, but I have a few shorts, and sometimes you'll see flowers in my video or plants, but yeah, I love all things flowers, so I can never get tired of them. But yeah, tulips, one of my favorites, and my daughter actually had the idea. She saw it on TikTok, so we went, and it was amazing. You could actually cut some of the flowers too, but we went the last day, so we weren't able to cut the flowers. But there was someone selling bulbs of tulips, but I didn't get any. I was like, no, not gonna get any. But yeah, I know tulips really don't last too long, so that's one reason why I've not planted them before. But maybe in the fall, I'll try to consider possibly maybe planting them. We'll see. Okay, so 3. I hope I'm doing this right because usually I don't talk too much because I mess things up. But yeah, it was so beautiful and we had a really good time. We took a lot of pictures and family pictures. They had like a cute little Beetle type of car, and we took a family photo surrounded by a whole field of tulips. And then they had different vendors for food. They had games for kids, face painting, different booths set up that you could sell things at. And my daughter, the one that turned 19, that's my dryer or washer, the one that turned 19, my middle daughter, she wants to maybe be a vendor next year because she does a lot of crocheting, and she actually recently opened an Etsy shop as well. So she wants to sell her things so she can make a little bit of extra money. So I'm so proud of her. But yeah, number 3 is the last envelope that we have, and that is repairs. Repairs for the win today, I think. Let's count them up and see. And I need to get my markers. Give me 1 second. It's actually going to be Easter this Sunday, so happy Easter to you all that are celebrating Easter. He is risen, and I'm so thankful that we get to celebrate Easter. It's a time to just enjoy new life and new things, and yeah, I'm looking forward to celebrating that this next Sunday. So we have 10. Household got 10 today. Okay, so now household has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 115. Let's see, today, I don't know what day it is. I'm just gonna put the 26. So household got 10 and we're at 115. Okay, we are close to being able to color in another house. And these are from Dee's Digital World. It's D Bankroll. Has an Etsy shop. You can check her out. I usually leave it below, so always check the description box. Next is furniture. Okay, furniture. Did it get anything today? I don't think so. So I just took it out for nothing. Let's see. Furniture has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 35. It is holding steady at 135. And this needs to get to 1,000 before the end of the year because I want to purchase some furniture. So hopefully we can get there. Okay. So 3 is repairs. Okay, and yeah, repairs got the most this time. So repairs got 5, 10, 15, 20. So repairs now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Is that correct? Wait a second. Wait a second. I thought repairs got 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Okay, 175. So maybe something was sticking together, but repairs has 175. Wow, okay. So 175, let's see, can we color in the tracker? 25, 50, 75, 100, 25, 50, and we can color in another hand. That's exciting. Okay. So what are your plans for Easter? Are you traveling? Are you going to a relative's house? Are you hosting Easter dinner? Comment down below. We are going to my in-laws' house to eat dinner, and we usually do potluck. So everyone brings a dish, a meat, and a drink. So let's see, electric got 10. think. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 25, 30. So now electric has 130. It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Okay. Comment down below if you know where I got that from. Let's see who was born in the 80s. Okay. Not last but not least, maintenance received 10 today. And so now maintenance has 20, 25, 30, 35. And last but not least, Reno has not received anything in a while, I think. Let's see. Yeah, since February. So today, Reno got 10. Now Reno has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10. 110. Yay, exciting. I cannot wait to get our bathroom renovated. It's probably going to cost thousands upon thousands of dollars, but you know what? We're just going to start small, save a little at a time, and when it comes around, we'll be able to use whatever we've saved towards the process. Okay, so we are all set. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to check out the hashtag BCL with the yellow heart. And if you're interested in the BCL, please contact Budgeting April. Look out for her videos and be in the next round with her. But also check out the ladies. This week, it's the last week for BCL Yellow Heart. It's Sin on a Budget as well as Save the Day with Tara. So thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. And if I don't have a video out before Easter, happy Easter. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed one. Bye-bye.